well known that, as Modi said in his speech, that many of these urban Naxalite supporters are sitting in Delhi in air-conditioned rooms and provoking the poor Adivasis to go out and face the bullets, and not standing up for them, but instead of appearing for bail applications of various Naxalites, urban Naxalites who belong to the fashionable part of society. So therefore, I think it's time we expose the nexus between Naxalism and the Congress party leadership.
Demonetization leads to highest ever surrender of Maoists in a month. एक महीने के अंदर सर्वाधिक नक्सलियों का आत्मसमर्पण 564 माओइस्ट एक महीने में। हिंदुस्तान के इतिहास में ऐसा कभी नहीं हुआ था। वहीं दूसरी ओर राहुल गांधी जी ट्वीट करके अर्बन नक्सलियों का समर्थन करते हैं, और अर्बन नक्सली जब गिरफ्तार होते हैं, वही अर्बन नक्सली जिसके लिए प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि वो खुद एसी कमरे में रहते हैं, जिनके बच्चे विदेशों में पढ़ते हैं, और जो भोली भाली गांव की जनता और आदिवासियों पे कहर ढाते हैं।
Everybody should stand against Maoists, who it may be, irrespective of parties. They too are disturbing the country. Now, the Maoists are whom? Who is sponsoring Maoists like Naxalis? Initially, what was the principle of Naxalis? What they are doing right now? The Northeast there is unrest in Northeast. Who is creating it? It is the Maoists. And who is supporting them? Who is supplying them weapons? Why you want to go with weapons only? When people talk about toxin, why do you need weapons?